Before we go, let's leave you with details on measures being taken by the Osun State government to prevent the spread of the coronavirus in the state.
My dear good people of the state of Osun, I address you this day on the coronavirus outbreak, which is sweeping the whole world and leaving frightening casualties and fatalities in its trail. Its symptoms include fever, tiredness, dry cough, and difficulty in breathing in severe cases. The deadly virus, which took the whole world by surprise recently, has now assumed the status of a pandemic. Reports say there are currently over 250,000 cases globally, with over 10,000 deaths. In Nigeria, the number of cases grew from 3 to 12 within 1 week. As of today, the number has grown to 30. Cases of the outbreak of the virus have been reported in some states. The occurrence of these cases, especially in neighboring states, call for caution and proactive measures. Although there has been no recorded case in Osun, we have, as a responsible government, fast-tracked our response activities in order to keep our people safe and free from the virus. As part of immediate measures to prevent an outbreak, we constituted 3 committees to decisively deal with the situation. These are the Technical Response Committee, the Economic Impact Committee, and the Communication Committee. These 3 committees, which consist of experts in their respective fields, report directly to my office under my leadership. We are also in partnership with the African Center of Excellence in Genomics of Infectious Diseases, ATEDE, for easy investigation. We also created a holding center to isolate and treat possible reported cases. The emergency hotline to call, should there be a need, is 293. Other phone numbers are 0803 502 5692, 0803 390 8772, and 0805 645 6250. All citizens are advised to strictly observe high level of personal hygiene, including, but not limited to, frequent hand washing with soap or hand sanitizers. They are also strongly advised to avoid non-essential travels within the country. The interministerial committees will continue to closely monitor and provide further information regularly to our people. Citizens residing in the state of Osun should report to the appropriate authorities if they have a travel history to or from nations identified as high-risk countries or have contacts with persons diagnosed with the coronavirus. In addition to the proactive measures we have so far taken, we have also placed a ban on public gatherings. We wish to make it abundantly clear that the ban also covers unauthorized mining sites across the state, churches, mosques, political meetings, nightclubs, among others. We have also mandated a monitoring team to enforce the ban on public gatherings. We are doing all of this to further ensure that we are all safe. We crave your further understanding and cooperation in these trying times. Let me also seize this opportunity to thank our religious leaders and elders who responded promptly to government directive banning public gatherings. We appreciate your support and implore you to continue to assist us in keeping the state safe. Fellow citizens, winning the war against coronavirus is a collective responsibility. Let us all unite to fight the virus that is threatening our lives, our economy, and all we labor and stand for as a people. Cooperate with government and endure the temporary hardship, as no sacrifice is too much for our lives and those of our loved ones. Do not panic, but obey government's simple instructions and directives. Follow simple hygiene, and together we shall win the war against the coronavirus and keep our state safe and secure. May God continue to keep and bless our dear state.
In Africa, there are now more than 700 confirmed cases, with 43 countries reporting confirmed cases of the coronavirus. This is the World Focus on TVC News. Thank you for joining us. While calling for global solidarity to address the outbreak that humanity is facing as a whole, African officials have now strongly criticized President